Hello again, everyone. Santa Claus here. That's right. It's time for a Santa Claus report. I do a lot of gift radios for wives and other family members to gift to their significant others. Most of the time, they already know it's coming. In this case, they don't. So we're just going to say this is a tune-up report for a gentleman in Tennessee that he'll be receiving on Christmas Day on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Great radios. It's going to work out really well in his truck. He can flip that up and choose whatever color he wants, whatever is easy on his eyes. Several colors to choose from. He can flip it all the way down and adjust the brightness. He can dim it all the way down. AM, FM, PA. He will mainly be in the AM mode. Here's your noise blanker. You got talk back. 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Be able to adjust that wherever you want. Excuse me. Got your echo right here. Your band switch. You know, this has got 8 bands. D band will be your regular 40 channel CB. Here's your RF power. I'll show you it all the way down. 50 watt slug. Set it at 2 watts, so if you decide to run an amplifier with it ever, you'll have full adjustability. Wide open. It's going to be 15 watts, which will not hurt the radio at all. And we'll put it at 12 o'clock so you'll kind of know. So that right there about 12 watts or so. It'll still swing the same PEP no matter where you put it. If you have it too low, you might be a little choppy on some stations, but that's set up that way so that if you run an amp, you can turn it down. So let's check your average power swing. Hello, about 45 bird average, which is already doing more than 90% of your regular radios does peak. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 audio 90 watts. I'll roll the RF power all the way down. Let me show you. There's 2 watts. Show you the peak power. Audio. Audio. So say you're still doing 90 either way. Alrighty, I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas. We're gonna get this right out to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.